Today, Governor Mike DeWine traveled the state from corner to corner, city to city, to let each Ohioan know what they must do to help stop the spread of this virus. Good evening, and thanks for joining us tonight at 6, everyone. I'm Yolanda Harris.
And I'm Andrew Kinsey. We are still waiting for the Ohio Department of Health to release today's new numbers, and the governor's curfew order has not yet been signed. It's supposed to start tomorrow night at 10 p.m. Tonight, 10 TV's Kevin Landers is live with what the governor had to say about today after a stop in Columbus. Kevin.
Well, good evening. I asked the governor what it would have to take for him to lift the 21-day curfew. He told me he's not going to look at one number.
It's not just one thing. How are we doing in our hospitals? What are the trend lines? We're looking at everything.
Now, I also asked the governor why he did an about-face regarding the closing of bars and restaurants and gyms that he had threatened to do last week. He said he was swayed by personal stories from workers in those industries. He said a curfew seemed to be more of a holistic approach and provided a more shared sacrifice by everyone, not just a few industries. Now, the governor also took issue with people who are describing this curfew as a business curfew. He says it is not. He says it's a universal issue. He also was asked about lawmakers who continue to not wear their masks behind me here in the State House. He says he would advise them that's simply not the right thing to do, but he says the legislature makes its own rules. The governor also said that if Ohioans were to reduce their social interactions by 20%, he believes that it will help reduce the spread. Reporting live from the State House, Kevin Landers, 10 TV News.